A machine that burns weeds with lasers, another that sweeps fields to drive birds away, and one farm laser system with a price tag of around $2 million. This is not concept tech. This is real agricultural equipment working in real fields. And by the end of this list, you will see how farming goes from small laser deterrents to giant intelligent machines that look like they belong in the next chapter of agriculture. When most people picture farming, they think of tractors, tools, soil, and spray tanks. But some farms now use lasers, not as a gimmick, not as a futuristic experiment, as a working tool. Some laser systems push birds away from crops. Others scan the ground, detect weeds, and strike them with precise bursts of light. So before we begin, here is how this ranking works. This list is based on two things: price and real-world power. And for this video, power means laser strength, field coverage, automation, work speed, and total impact in real farm use. So this is not a random countdown. It is a look at which machines are the most serious, the most capable, and the most powerful in agriculture right now. Let's begin at the smaller end of the category and climb toward the machines that completely change the scale. Number 10. BirdX Outdoor Laser. We start with the smallest machine on the list. The BirdX Outdoor Laser is built for one job: push birds away from farm areas, barn edges, storage zones, rooftops, smaller fields. This is not a giant field machine. It is a simple deterrent tool. Its price is around $354. Its power score is 3 out of 10. That score is low for a reason. Its role is limited. But this machine matters because it shows where the category begins. Not with giant robotics, but with a small laser solving a real farm problem. Number 9. BirdX Outdoor Laser 2. At number 9, the idea stays the same, but the reach improves. The BirdX Outdoor Laser 2 is the stronger version of the first machine. Same mission, better coverage. Its price is around $589. Its power score is 3.8 out of 10. This is not a dramatic jump. It is a practical one. And that matters, because this is the first real sign of the pattern that drives this whole list. As coverage improves, usefulness grows. And as usefulness grows, the machine becomes more serious. So far, these lasers are built to warn. Now the category starts moving toward machines that can do much more than that. Number 8. AVIX Handheld 500 HSS. This is where the list starts feeling professional. The AVIX Handheld 500 HSS is a portable laser tool for active bird control. And the big difference here is simple: mobility. Now the operator can move with the laser across orchards, along crop edges, around ponds, near farm buildings. That changes the experience completely. You are no longer placing a device and hoping it covers enough space. You are responding in real time. That makes this machine feel more alive, more flexible, and more effective in practical use. Its price is around $4,995. Its power score is 5.8 out of 10. This is the first machine on the list that feels less like a basic deterrent and more like a serious farm control tool. And now comes the next jump, from handheld response to automated protection. Number 7. AVIX Autonomic Mark II. At number 7, the machine starts working without you. The AVIX Autonomic Mark II is an automated laser bird deterrent. That means it can keep protecting an area without needing constant human control. And that changes everything, because once a machine becomes automated, it stops feeling like a tool you use. It starts feeling like a system the farm runs with. Its price is around $12,500. Its power score is 6.8 out of 10. This rank is not just about a stronger beam. It is about consistency. More reliable coverage, less manual effort, more value over time. Up to this point, every machine on this list has been built to repel. At number 6, that changes completely, because the next machine is not built to warn. It is built to eliminate. Number 6. Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2200. This is the moment the whole category shifts. The Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2200 is not a bird deterrent. It is a laser weed control machine. Instead of spraying chemicals across a field, it scans the ground, identifies weeds, and hits them with laser energy. Think about that. A machine moving through a field, reading the land, and responding with light. Its price is round about $1 million and power score is 7 out of 10. This is where farm technology stops looking mechanical and starts looking intelligent. Everything below this machine solved a protection problem. From here on, the machines start reshaping how the work itself gets done. And this is only the entry point into the LaserWeeder lineup. Because from here, the machines do not just get stronger, they get bigger, faster, and more industrial. Number 5. Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2-300. At number 5, the idea is no longer the surprise. Now the story is scale. The LaserWeeder G2-300 ranks above the G2-200 for one reason: more field power. Its price range of $1 million to $1.6 million and power score is 7.8 out of 10. This is not just a better machine. It is a bigger working machine. More coverage, more output, more useful strength in real operations. This is where the ranking starts separating machines by workload, not novelty. The laser gets attention. The scale is what makes it serious. And from here, every jump starts feeling bigger. Number 4. Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2-400. At number 4, the machine stops feeling advanced and starts feeling industrial. The LaserWeeder G2-400 pushes the concept further into heavy-duty field work. Its price is also expected between $1.2 million to $1.7 million and power score is 8.6 out of 10. This machine ranks above the G2-300 because it delivers more output and more real farm capacity. That is the difference that matters here. Not just smarter, not just newer, heavier. If the G2-300 feels like a strong machine, the G2-400 feels like a machine built for pressure. And now we enter the top 3. This is where the list stops feeling expensive and starts feeling extreme. Number 3. Original Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder. This is the machine that made people stop and pay attention. The original Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder became one of the most talked about laser farming systems in the world because it proved something that sounded almost impossible: laser weed control at commercial scale. And then came the number that made headlines: around $1.7 million. Pause there. That is not just expensive. That is capital equipment money. Its power score is 9.4 out of 10. This machine ranks at number 3 because it did two things at once. It brought real power, and it changed the conversation. This was the machine that shocked people with the concept. But the next two machines pushed the performance side even harder. Number 2. Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2-600. At number 2, the category starts looking dominant. The LaserWeeder G2-600 is where laser farming stops feeling like a breakthrough and starts feeling like force. Its price is about $1.7 to $1.8 million and power score is 9.4 out of 10. Why farmers spent huge money on this? Because this machine is an industrial powerhouse, utilizing 36 high-resolution cameras and NVIDIA GPUs to identify and eliminate up to 450,000 weeds per hour. By leveraging AI trained on over 100 crop models, it achieves 99% accuracy, allowing farmers to slash weed control costs by up to 80%. If number 3 was the machine that proved the idea, number 2 is the machine that puts the idea to work at a much harder level. This is not just innovation. This is production power. And now there is only one machine left. Not just stronger, not just bigger, a machine that sits in a different class. Number 1. Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2-1200. At number 1, the category reaches full scale. The Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder G2-1200 is the most powerful machine on this list. Its price is about $2 million and power score is 10 out of 10. The LaserWeeder G2-600 is an industrial powerhouse, firing over 10,000 precision shots per minute to eliminate weeds without a single drop of chemicals. Utilizing NVIDIA GPUs and 100+ AI models, it processes crop data in real time, achieving 99% accuracy and slashing weed control costs by up to 80%. This machine ranks first because it pushes the laser weeding concept to its largest form here. More workload, more capability, more field scale, and more total impact. Everything below it feels like a step toward this point. From compact bird deterrence, to handheld control, to automated protection, to large-scale weed destruction. This is where the category fully opens up. This machine is not just working the field. It is reading it, deciding, and responding at scale. And that is why it sits at number 1. This is not just farm equipment. This is agriculture becoming intelligent at machine scale. Now the power side. At the top is the LaserWeeder G2-1200 with a 10 out of 10 power score. Behind it, the G2-600, and then the original carbon Robotics LaserWeeder. And that ranking reveals the real story. Laser farming is no longer one strange idea sitting at the edge of agriculture. It now stretches from portable deterrents to automated protection systems to giant machines built for serious crop operations. So the real question is no longer, can lasers be used in farming? That part is already answered. The real question is, how far does this go from here? Will laser weeders become normal on large farms? Will automated laser deterrents replace older systems? And how much smarter will these machines get over the next few years? One thing is already clear. From repelling birds to striking weeds with precision, lasers are no longer a strange side idea in agriculture. They are becoming part of the industry itself. And that may be the biggest shift of all. If you want more videos on machines changing the future of agriculture, subscribe and tell me in the comments, which machine impressed you more? The $1.2 million LaserWeeder or the giant G2-1200? The future of farming is not waiting to arrive. In some fields, it is already switched on.